Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the Free Warrior phone dip cups. At first, we need a cup of distilled water and 2 dip cups. Pour an appropriate amount of water into the dip cup and press the sponge with your fingers to make the sponge to fully absorb the water. Keep the machine working and wash the tattoo needle in the water. After cleaning in the water, put the needles into a dip cup with distilled water, and the sponge will clean the needle. The next step, put it into another dry dip cup, and the sponge will absorb the residual tattoo ink and the water. It looks clean. Now let's try it with the orange ink. Repeat all the steps. The needles still looks clean. After cleaning the needles, all you need to do is seal it and throw it away. Maybe you are worried if the water will leak out. Let's do an experiment. There is no water leaking from the cup. Hope you will like the Free Warrior phone dip cups. Thanks for watching.